Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about forecast for Nifty for Monday, that is 18th December. Before going into the video, my usual requests, please do subscribe and stay connected to our channel if you are new. Give a like to this video so that it may attract larger audience. In description of this video, I have given our Telegram channel links. Please do connect us over there because during market hours we will be active in Telegram channel only. So now we will go into our analysis part. We had a spectacular week in December with very good up move, and we are noticing some exhaustion at higher stage. As I said earlier, there was no resistance above 20,222 and it fired 1000 points above it, in fact 1200 points above it. 21,500 will be a hurdle for now. So on Friday also, if you see, it went till 21,492 and then dropped a bit. Following in Gift Nifty, it dropped another 100 points. So on Monday, we expect a marginal gap down opening instead of gap up opening, which we have seen all these days for December. So first time we could see a gap down opening, and probably during the course of the day those dips will get bought into. But if you ask whether there will be any big up move, I have a question mark over there because the up move will resume only when Nifty crosses 21,555. If this level is crossed, we can expect even 22,000 coming in this series itself, which is December. And to add on, it's 1 week before Christmas, so FII's participation will be little less than usual. Little less, I would not say it will be completely less. It will be completely less during 25th of December to 1st of January, but 1 week before it will be little less. Say for example, only 80% of the FIIs will be participating in this particular week. So that will impact us a bit, right? So even now I am saying there is only one resistance, which is at 21,555. On the downside, if you see where is the support, technically speaking, Friday low will be your support. Friday low is 21,235. Actually speaking, Nifty ended at 21,456, which means 215 points below the current close. That is your first support. Forget about the second support. The first support itself comes only below 215 points. So any dip towards the zone will be definitely get bought into. Okay, so we already said that we are expecting a gap down opening of maybe 80-100 points. If there is a further decline for 130 to 150 points in Nifty, it will be a good buying zone for the higher target of 21,500. Say for example, we have closed at 21,456, maybe 130 points below this, which means 21,320 odd levels will be a good entry point. Maybe 21,300 to 320. That will be a very good entry point with the 100 point stop loss on the downside and expect a target of 21,555. That's the maximum which I am expecting. But if that zone is crossed, I will change my stance and say 22,000 is expected. Okay, this is all about Nifty. Actually speaking, we are overbought, but a overbought market can remain overbought for minimum 3 weeks time. At this stage, we were overbought. This stage, right? It is already 10 days. So another week, 1 week of overbought zone is likely to happen. That is what I feel. We have created 3 gaps in between December series. Within the December series. The first one is this one. This is the second one, and then this is the third one. 3 gaps we have created. Slowly, in a phased manner, we need to fill all these gaps for a big bull run. So don't get aggressively on the long side at this moment. Invest only partial amount of your capability. Hold the remaining amount for a correction to enter markets at a later stage, maybe during the first week of January. In between, reduce your trades a bit so that you are on a safer side. I wouldn't say market will fall immediately, but it will fall definitely over a period of time, at least to fill this gap. What is this particular zone? 20,291 is the high. So that zone must come in next 2 months. Since we are discussing about levels only for Monday, forget about all these levels. Just concentrate on this particular low, which is 21,235. Entry point will be 21,300 in Nifty if it comes, and your stop loss will be 21,200. On the upside, you may expect 21,555. All I am speaking is about only for Monday. Don't ask me whether Nifty will run 250 points intraday itself. It will happen. It could happen. In the last few days, we have seen similar kind of runs happening. So this is all for Nifty. Now moving into Bank Nifty, this is one step stronger than Nifty until Friday. Only on Friday, IT index picked up and took Nifty on the higher side. But this is the stronger index before that, right? So Fed has already said that we are going to discuss about rate cuts from next meeting onwards. So the real worry of rate hikes anymore is ruled out, and the fear factor which involved the everyone about US going into a recession is also ruled out. Okay, so Bank Nifty, these are it's one of the rate sensitive counters. Generally speaking, rate sensitive counters will move much faster whenever there is a rate cut expected. Banks, IT, real estate, these are the major counters, rate sensitive counters, and NBFCs. These will move much faster than any others whenever a rate cut is expected. So in next meeting of our RBI, it will be, the commentary will be very much watched how our governor is going to plan for rate cuts. So let's forget all about this. Let's discuss only about the Monday's factor. Monday, again, support comes in around 47,943, which is day before yesterday's, Thursday's high, 47,943. And then the next support comes in at Friday's low, which is 47,632. So keep in mind that 47,632 will be your decent stop loss. Why? Because since Nifty is already indicating a gap down opening of 100 points, Bank Nifty will violate the first support zone immediately. But if it holds the second support zone, definitely it will also climb up again, because Bank Nifty has reached the overbought zone only on Friday. Earlier it went to overbought zone, came down, and then went at overbought zone and then came down. Now it is again at the overbought zone, which RSI usually says above 80 is a overbought zone, right? So for Monday, if Bank Nifty comes around 47,700, 750 odd zones, you can initiate a long with a stop loss at 47,500 for higher targets of 48,000 and 48,500. Give and take, actually speaking, Bank Nifty is heading for 50,000. To be frank, it's heading for 50,000 and Nifty is heading for 22,000 over a period of time. Maybe in first week of Jan, both will hit these levels. Right? On the upside, resistance comes in at Friday's high, first resistance 28,219, beyond which the next resistance will be the psychological number 28,500. This is for Bank Nifty. Don't even dream of shorting markets either in Nifty or in Bank Nifty until this 10 simple moving average is taken out. This blue line, this 47,176 is the 10 simple moving average for Bank Nifty, and then 20,981 is the 10 simple moving average of Nifty. Until this level is broken down on the broken down and sustains for minimum 10 minutes, don't even dream of shorting both the indices. Any dip will get bought into. Few may call it Santa Claus rally, few may call it year-end rally, few may call it pre-budget rally. Whatever name it comes, they will keep saying to others. But chart says us Nifty or Bank Nifty becomes weak only when it breaks 10 simple moving average. If not, it will recover and move on the higher side. So don't take a risk of doing shorts. If you want to if you want to stay very safe and you feel that market is on extremely overbought zone, I am not going to participate, please do sit on the sidelines, don't short. This thing I thought of showing it to you. This is the market mood index which I usually refer. When this index moves beyond 80, look at the comment on the right side. High extreme greed suggests investors should avoid opening fresh positions. This is what I already pointed out in RSI as well. RSI about 80 is overbought zone, but still it can be overbought for a period of time which is minimum 3 weeks. 2 weeks already passed in Nifty, so probably another 1 week of bull run is expected, and then we will have a slow grinding market which will be range bound, and then we will fall during January. That is what I expect in both indices as of present situation. I will change my stance or change my view only if Nifty closes above 22,000, or else whatever which I am suggesting now will happen in January. Probably at that time you may remember my name if what I suggested happens. Have a nice day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.